If you look underneath the color monitor, you'll see this button, and if you hover over the tooltip, will say switch to solo mode. And many of you may ask, what does this mean? This clip right here that I have selected in the clip grid will show exactly what this means. It has a title superimposed over it, and if you want to see a clean version of this image so that you can make color adjustments without this title being in the way, all you need to do is click the solo button. The solo button disables compositing as long as this button is turned on, so that you can grade any particular clip in your sequence free of distractions. When you want to see the clip in context to what you've done, all you have to do is click the solo button again to toggle it back to compositing mode. Let's look at another example of when this is useful. I decide I want to grade this close-up of the coffee pot, and here I am sitting right on top of a transition. Again, this could be awkward. I can't really see what I want to do. I could switch over into clip mode and scrub past the transition, but if that really is the best frame that's representative of what I want to do, then all I need to do is, again, click to turn solo mode on. That suspends all compositing, including transitions, and now I have a nice clean view of this coffee pot that I can go ahead and adjust to add a little bit more contrast, maybe go ahead and pull the exposure down a bit, maybe warm it up, and hooray for me. When I'm done, I can go ahead and click to disable solo mode. I can go back to the previous clip, go ahead and play through, and I can see my transition and all of the grading in context.